聯生海濱路 Marginal 的 Concordia Sunset from Macau Sunset in Macau Oh, 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 oh Rua Marginal da Concordia Marginal da Concordia Walking along in Macau Checking out all of Macau Yeah, yeah, walking around in Macau Oh, oh, oh Macau Sunset from Macau Sunset in Macau Oh, oh, oh Rua Marginal da Concordia Marginal da Concordia Walking along in Macau Checking out all of Macau Yeah, yeah, walking around in Macau Oh, oh, oh Macau
There's our street sign, Marginal Concordia, just so you can kind of get some context. One oasis, beautiful apartment buildings, I'll talk more about it. Pryor Park, apartment buildings in Coloane. And then we have this bike path right here. And then right over here we have Sunset, Hengqin Village, University of Macau. Ocean Park has all those little things up on the hills you can see. That's all University of Macau as well. That's Hengqin Financial District. And then we have a bike path. So let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, Marginal means like waterfront, and a lot of times in Macau it doesn't quite fit because the landscape of Macau changes quite a bit over time. And so there's areas with the Marginal name in Macau, like Marginal Hippodromo, which is like the waterfront of the racetrack, and the racetrack is long gone, and the waterfront is too. But this one is Marginal Concordia, and it's actually on the waterfront. There's some beautiful trees right there. So we're gonna walk all the way down. We're gonna walk by a yacht club as well on our way. And I think the last time I was here, I don't think they had this walking path, this bike path slash jogging facilities. But now this bike path goes into this area, and it goes along all the way up into here and Pryor Park. The apartments we don't see are Pryor Park, and the ones we can see are one oasis. The one in front of us is all a factory, and that's actually like laundry one right there. All that smoke coming out. So that is this part of Coloane. Then we have a yacht club directly in front of us. So we're gonna try to film a little bit of that as well. This capture. So yeah, you can sometimes they'll have events there too. So yeah, so that's the bike path right there. Here's the bike path here. You can see it a little bit better. So we're here. The bike path touches a little bit of here. Our marginal, we're gonna walk down it more. This actually goes into another bike path down this way too, but it has a different name. And then this one, these bike paths go into this one oasis, all those tall buildings, and then Praia Park was over here. So maybe that might not make 100% sense if you don't know Macau. This is the yacht club. Directly down that way, you can see the yachts. And I think we'll be able to walk in there if it's still open. You got some barbecue pits in there too. Vending machines. So we're now currently walking on the bike path. You can see the bike path continues down here. And then I think it'll go into these streets and go up to that one oasis. This is the laundry facilities. I think it's for the casinos. So yeah, bicycle pass, bicicleta, that's the name of it. The Lotus cycle track. And then yeah, here's some of the facilities right there. So I think we can go in if the door is open, and then we can take a look and see. Okay, so yeah, that's one oasis right there. You can see a green and white track that goes directly there. This is our target street right here. The Marginal, the Concordia. Marginal is racetrack. And that's the name of the yacht club. And we can walk into it, I think. Maybe it's closed. But yeah, that's the yacht club. You can see all the yachts all the way out, and I think it's closed, and that's okay. I have filmed it before, so that's good. And then if we kept going down this road, we'd continue to walk near the yachts, and then there's also these as well. I think that's kind of all I want to film for this one. I think that's actually kind of the highlight. And so I'm going to end the video right there. We will add just a little bit more because we kind of have this, so the end of the street would go all the way to these factories. These are all factories in here as well. That's one oasis from this particular angle. And I'm just gonna come in here so I can capture a side view of the yachts. And also the waterfront right there. So I think those are called mangroves. Then those are all the yachts right there. And you got like stuff like that. And that's all the Hengqin village, all of that down there. And then that's Ocean Park, the yellow one. And then that is quite big, so you can see these up in the hills. You can see these little things that bring people up. I forget the name of those. But yeah, that's all Hengqin village, part of China. You can even see a McDonald's sign. There's some lots of restaurants in there. And then there's a wall right here. There's a wall that all of that University of Macau is all part of Macau. And it's connected by a tunnel or a bridge over there with a wall all around it. And then so that University of Macau is on Macau side, and it's carved out with a wall. And then all around it is Zhuhai, China, Hengqin, China, Hengqin, Zhuhai, China. So financial district of Hengqin, University of Macau, over a wall, all of Hengqin. And then this is Hengqin village. All right, so that's where we'll end our street. So that gives you some context of it. And this is the Marginal, which means like the waterfront. There's the waterfront right there. So yeah, someday I think this will all be different, and this probably will be significantly different. I imagine there will be a day where all these factories will be replaced by apartment buildings, like those are apartment buildings, and Praia Park, the orange ones, way in the distance. And that's one oasis, all apartment buildings. They'll probably all be apartments here with this waterfront and yacht club. That's what I think will happen in the future. And let's end our video for now. Documented 2026.